Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Could not load driver, automation name, XCUITest platform name. Please verify your APM installation. For that, guys, just launch terminal. Launch the terminal. Try to paste this command appium-doctor iOS. ZSH not found appium-doctor. You can try to install appium-doctor. Appium-doctor globally npm install. You can do like this. So once installation, try appium-doctor iOS. So it is showing that we don't have Carthage. So we can do brew install Carthage. So brew install Carthage. So if you're still getting this issue, try to reinstall appium. So appium install -g. So it will install appium globally. So if this is the case, you can actually install a driver XCUITest where you want to install appium driver XC. One more command you can try, which is npm install -d appium at the rate latest. So this should install the latest version of appium. Hopefully that error should have been resolved. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.